Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create and configure a Wise account. So basically what you have to do is simply go to wise.com and then you'll have to simply click on open an account, and after that you'll have to enter your email address. So I'm going to go on and copy my email address and then simply paste in here. And so let's try with another one because this seems that it's not working. So I'm going to use my Gmail. And then here you have to choose personal account or business account. So I'm going to go with personal account. Here you have to simply choose where do you live the most of the time. So I'm going to go with this one here. And then here you have to simply enter the phone number and send to verify it. So basically you have to simply wait until you receive the code on your phone number. So after that, after you enter the code here, so let me enter my code really fast. So 82, and then click on submit, and then here you have to simply create your password. So I'm going to create my password, and let's click on continue again, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see here, what you have to do now. So I'm going to go and click on this letter, but if you want, you can send money abroad, order a card to spend abroad, or open account in a new currency. So I'm going to go and click on decide later, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, now I have my Wise account, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.